So my name is Nitish. So I'm Senior Manager Pantone India. So I'm looking after complete Pan India sales plus all the operations part for Pantone India. So we are basically an Chinese manufacturing of printers. So we have our whole range of printers for all the segment, from home users, for corporates, and for all the B2B customers, and also for the MPS solution. So we have each and every solution for each and every customers. So our printers, fulfill 90% of the user needs, whatever user required. So we have a whole range of products starting from our entry-level printers for till all the high-end printers 40 ppm. Starting from 18 ppm to 40 ppm, we have all range of printers. Plus we have our label printers also. And also very soon we are coming up with our inkjet printers, which is a ink tank based printers in January onwards. So we will be catering to each and every homes users, like home users, Soho, and all the corporates. So see, Indian market is definitely one of the growing market. Each and every printing company is focusing on India market, seeing the potential of India. So currently we are at number 4 position in laser segments, and very soon we are targeting number 2 position. So in the last year we have almost grown by double in Indian market. So our target is to grow again double in the next year. So by end of 2026 we are targeting number 2 position in Indian market. So sir, we have recently tied up with Keynes Technology, who are basically a biggest Indian manufacturing company. So they will be our distributors plus doing manufacturing for us. So we already have a contract signed with them. So they will be first Make in India printers. Manufacturing has already been started. So by the end of September, October, you will see first Make in India product, from which we will be targeting all the government users. Since our service is the most integral part if we need to sustain and we are looking for any future in India market. So that's why to increase our service penetration, we have again tied up with the manufacturing company Keynes. So they will be our leading service providers. So we have already tied up with around 1,000 service providers to cater each and every location of India. So since our printer is basically a cost-effective printers, so we are targeting T4 and Tier 5 cities more. So to give them the proper services, we are also targeting Tier 4, Tier 5 cities with all the service centers over there. See, our main motto is to give a cost-effective solution to the customer. So that's why first of all, what we are following is our consumable cost is very less, right? So now we have also strict policy for all our partners to sell consumables with the printers. Earlier there was a lot of gap for demand and supply. So now we are ensuring that there is no gap between demand and supply for the printers and toners. So once the customer buys, so we have the complete database. So according to their purchase, according to the connect ratio, we are importing toners, and hopefully we are fulfilling all the customer needs with the complete original toners. And we are also promoting to customers to buy our original toners. Also, we have an original refill kit also. The customers who want cost-effective solution, we have the refill kit also costing around 500 rupees also. So we have a national distributor called Keynes Technology. They are also our manufacturers plus service providers. Below that, we are approx 40 regional distributors who are catering to each and every regional of India. We are divided India into 2 parts. First of all, North caters to North and East, we are into 1, and South and West into 2. So to cater each and every part of India, we are targeting state by state. So we have 40 regional distributors plus approx 1,000 T3 partners who are buying regularly. So all our rebate, all our services are according to that scheme. Say that for this year you have really shown trust on Pantone. We're really looking forward for your trust and support in the coming year, and we are here to stay and we are here to sustain for a longer time. So very soon we are targeting number 2 position. So we need all your support for a Pantone. So very soon we will have all the complete solution, starting from laser to inkjet to A3 also. We are coming with A3 plus label printers. So each and every solution at one stop.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.